Get settled in here. We've got about 50 seconds to go. Again, please trade demo if you're with us for the first time today. Market's moving quite a bit. We're already up at 62.20. That's going to change our targets. The 47 level looks a little bit better from 20 on the top side, and the 96 level on the bottom side. Again, keep a close eye on your spread. And also look for a pre-release spike. If you see a spike that jumps up 25 pips before the data comes out, that's another reason you'd want to turn the auto-click off. Any second now the data should be out.
Buy.
All right, we got a buy here. I actually got requoted or invalid price. That was a first. Not getting a lot of price action out of it. I don't like the price action, so my recommendation is to clear the trade at break even, plus or minus 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you're at. Shouldn't be a substantial gain or loss in any accounts, but you should clear it. A lot of really washy data. We've got a lot of data that came out this morning. Housing prices are going to have an effect on it. Not too worried about the import prices, but again, housing prices are going to have an effect on this. This isn't one of my favorite releases. As you can tell, not a lot of great price action by any means. But this would be my opinion of a bad trade, I guess. But anytime you have a bad trade and you end up breaking even or taking just a few pips loss or a few pips gain, it's a good strategy in my opinion. That's why the news is so appealing to me. Again, hopefully everyone has cleared. Let me know, is anyone still in this trade? I'll give you guys a little heads up too on news trading. When we go into news trading, we have a plan, and that plan is to, in this case, if we had a lower than expected number by 0.8 to buy. When your triggers or deviation are met and then things don't go according to plan, I'm not the kind of person that trades based on hope. I'm not going to sit here and hope that things turn around. And you'll see that. That's why we went ahead and just closed this thing down right away around break even if it was a few pips loss or gain. Because when the plan changes or when the plan doesn't work out, on a long-term trade, you have the time to reassess, create a new strategy, a new plan. With this type of trading, the market's moving so quickly, when things don't go according to plan, the best thing to do is just shut it down. As I said this morning, when things don't go as planned, normally what happens is the market just flattens off and doesn't really spike in either direction right away. And kind of what we saw this morning, initially it was a kind of a spike or kind of a flattening off period.